morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Student, you must have understand the previous chapter in which I told you about different formatting tools in Microsoft Word like alignment, indentation, along with setting page margins, line spacing, paragraph spacing, file and replace option, and many more. Now in this chapter, we will learn how to make our document more attractive with the help of different styles of writing and by adding pictures in our document. Yes, in this video we are going to learn how to insert different types of pictures in a particular document. So there are two ways for inserting picture in a document. First is clip art. Clip art is a collection of images which is already pre-installed in MS Word app. You don't need to have internet access to use clip art. And second method is insert any picture of your choice from your computer or from your external storage device to your document. So the first topic which we are going to say is clip art. For inserting clip art, everyone open page number 49 in your book and read the steps along with the video also. Okay. So the first step is click on the insert tab. Let's click on insert tab. Then step 2, click on the clip art option in the illustration group. Here is the illustration group and now click on clip art. The clip art task pane appear on the right side of the window. This is clip art task pane. Okay. Third is type the search word or phrase in the search for text box. Click on the go button. A list of pictures get displayed. Now type the picture which you want to search. Suppose you want to search the picture of a computer. Let's type computer. COMPUTER. Click on go. So here different pictures of computer is inserted. Just click on the picture you want and you will have that image on your computer screen. Click on the clip art to be added. The clip art gets inserted at the desired position. Now from here you can resize the image also. You can delete any image using the delete button. You can rotate any image according to your choice. Whenever you click on an image, there are different dots at the corner and at the border of the image. With the help of these dots, we can resize our image. Okay. Like this. From here we can rotate it also. From here we can decrease the size. From here we can enhance the width of the image, and from this point we can enhance the height of the image. So this is the way you can insert clip art in your document. Let's search another picture. Let's type earth as given in your book. EARTH. Click on go. Here different images of earth is showing in the clip art pane. Click on the image which you want to insert. Like this way we can use clip art option in MS Word. Now next option is, first let's delete these images. Click on the image and click delete button. Okay. Let's close clip art pane also. Next topic given in your book is inserting picture from a file. You can also insert any picture from your computer which you want, or from any external storage device, or you can also download any picture from internet and insert it in your document. So in page number 50, first step for inserting a picture is click on the insert tab. Here is insert tab. Click on the picture option in the illustrations group. The insert picture dialog box appear. Click on the picture option in the illustration group. Click. Now from here you need to choose the location from which you want to insert any picture. Suppose you are making a document on types of pictures. So let's insert some images of flowers. My all the folders of flowers are in desktops, so let's go to desktop. As you can see, there is an folder of flowers. Click on that folder, then double click on that folder, then insert any image which you want. Just select the image and click on insert. So the image of flower is inserted in your document. You can resize this picture like this. Okay. If you want to move this picture at the center, you can use alignment option for moving the picture left side, right side or at the center. You can add different effects in this picture, as there is a topic given in your book in page number 51. Formatting picture. Formatting picture means changing the look and effects of any picture in your document. First is the format tab under picture tool appears when you click on the inserted picture. Students, एक चीज़ आप लोग देखिए, whenever we click on the picture, there is an additional tab you can see on above the ribbon. अगर हमने कहीं और क्लिक कर दिया तो वो टैब हट जाएगा, लेकिन जैसे ही हम पिक्चर में क्लिक करेंगे तो एक न्यू टैब आ जाता है. ऐसे ही टेबल्स में भी होता है, बिकॉज दिस टैब इज़ ओनली क्रिएटेड फॉर एडिटिंग पिक्चर. सो जब भी हम सिर्फ पिक्चर में क्लिक करेंगे तभी ये टैब यहाँ पे शो होगा. लेट्स इंक्रीज द साइज ऑफ द पिक्चर like this. Now click on picture and go to the format tab. Here different options are available for formatting your picture. First is, let's see how to insert a border in your picture. This is picture border option in the picture styles group. From here you can choose the color of picture border. From this picture effect, from here you can choose different types of border for your picture. Click on this arrow and you can see different types of border available for your picture. Let's choose this one. Here you can choose the color. Let's choose yellow color, or let's choose this yellow color. Now there is different picture effects. You can choose different types of effects like reflection. Now you can see a reflection here of that picture. Let's choose this shadow. Here you can see the shadow effect of the picture. (3D) rotate. So these are different picture options available. No preset. Okay. Picture layout. If you want to add any text or want to insert this image in a flow chart, then you can use these options. Okay. Now you can improve the appearance of your picture or clip art by adding various types of style, as we already seen. Applying picture effects is also covered. So by this way you can edit any picture in a document. You can also insert picture using the Microsoft application in your mobile. But it is a bit complicated in that. If you are having a laptop, then I suggest you to use laptop or a desktop computer. Hope you must have understand how to insert a clip art image or a picture in your document and how to edit the pictures in your document. Now next topic which are we going to see, it is word art. So word art is a type of tool which help you to enhance the look of a text or a heading in your document. So let's use word art. Open page number 54 in your book and read the steps along with me. Okay. So the first step is click on insert tab. Let's click on insert tab. Then click on the word art option in the text group. Where is word art option? In the text group. So students, before inserting word art tab, you must click on the space where you want to insert it. Like this is an article on Independence Day and I want to insert a heading of Independence Day at the top of the document. So I will bring the cursor here, that is insertion point. This small blinking line, I will bring it here at the top of the document so that our word art appears here. Now click on the word art. Now let's choose a style. Let's choose this style. Now write the text, or from here you can choose different writing for your word art also, and size also. Let's write the heading of our document, that is Independence Day. I don't want to be appear in bold. This is a Arial black, so I can change the writing here from to Arial. Now click on OK. As you can see, the R heading of the document is appear in a very attractive way. From here we can enhance the size of the word art also. We can choose alignment for this too. Alignment will not work in word art, as you can see. Click on the format tab. Now in this also a format tab will appear at the top of the ribbon like this, as same as the way it was appeared in when we were editing pictures. So click on the format tab. From here different word art options are available like this. As I am moving the cursor, you can see the word art changing. Let's choose this one. Choose a color. Let's choose green color. You can also choose different outline color, like let's choose this light green color. Okay. You can change the shape also of the word art like this. So in this way you can enhance the look of any text or word in your document. It will help you to make your document more attractive. Okay, so I hope you must have understand all these topics discussed in this video, that is inserting clip art, inserting pictures and inserting word art. So practice these all steps in your computer or laptop, or I will make a video. I'm not sure that if you are able to do it in your mobile phone also, but because it is a bit complicated, as the screen size of mobile phone is small compared to your mobile computer. सो आप लोग इसको लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर में ट्राई करिए, और जिनके पास मोबाइल नहीं है ये ऑप्शंस आप लोग अच्छे से देख लीजिए, बाकी आप जब कंप्यूटर में वर्क करेंगे तो आपको हेल्प करेगा. Okay, so students, take care. Bye bye. We will meet in the